Now your all column width has been come to a small sizes. So for this you have to do first you have to take a first month. So first month I'm mentioning it is a first month. I'll center it and merge it up. Okay, it will say first month. In a month you had a 30 days. What you have to do it? First you put 1, then in the second row is equal to this plus 1. Enter it. Is equal to this, sorry, this plus 1. It comes 2. Now what you have to do it? You have to drag the formulas up to 30 days. So you have 30 days has been come down. So what, because the column row is been shorter, so you have to take a column width. Okay, you have to now increase the column width to bit higher. So for this, again, what you have to do it, you go to the here, check column width, you make it as a 2.5. 2.5. It is 2.5, it's come down. So now you drag this out for the entire row. In anywhere you hold it, okay, in the any one of the column you hold it. Arey kamala yaar. You have here, you drag it out like this and hold it on one column. Column width, you make it as 2.5. So the column width has been become 2.4. So you had a 30 days. The remaining days, you just delete it out. Okay. Now you have a second month. Again, you put it up as second month. When we come down, we'll talk about it. Margin center, I say second month. Okay. Now, how do you are going to go about it? See, for a site cleaning, you say 5 days. Oh, so building layout 2 days. What you'll be saying that you just make it this and color it out. This color box will make it out. So it has a 2 days. Then afterwards checking and inspection 1 day. Take it and put it a color, whatever the color you want it, 1 day. Then excavation 10 days. After the checking, there will be 10 days. So 4 to 14, you just drag it out and make it a color. So it is 14 days. Now PCC, I'm taking it only 1 day because PCC you can start earlier also after excavation. So I'm saying it as a 1 day in a PCC. What I'm saying it is a PCC 1 day. Then foundation, because as I said it already, it's have a 20 foundation. You will not make 20 foundation shuttering set. Let us assume it, you make it a 5 set. So for making a 5 concreting, you require a 2 days. That is today morning you started, fix it up, and tomorrow you concrete it. Then very next day you remove it and fix it. Then the fourth day you will be doing it. So that what will be happen, you will be having a 8 days after that. So 16th to 24th. So you make it out and make the column. So you had a foundation. Same methodology of a column. Column, what you'll be doing it? As soon as you've done a 10 foundations, you can start a column. So again, you require 8 days. So let us say 20 to 28. Then you had a plinth beam, 4 days. 4 days, you can say from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you come to a second month. Again, the same formula you have to apply. 1 is equal to this plus 1, enter, it becomes 2. So what will be happen? You drag it out for 30 days. So you added 30 days. Now, because you are too much of things have been going on, what you'll do it, up to this, you can hide it. So what you'll be doing it, from here, you just hold it on up to like this. So you can hide it and you can work on it. If you say hide, so it will be get hide. Finally, you can come down. Okay. So you done it. Then I say plum filling 3 days. 3 days from here, you take it. Okay. So you done your plum filling. Then afterwards, the grade slab. That is on the top of the filling. You will be doing a grade slab which is rolling. So that will be one filling and compacted, completed. Then only you can do it. So after that, that activities, you take 2 days. Okay. Then column up to first floor slab. Say again the same methodology of you are having 5 columns per day. Okay, you had a 10 days. So whatever be doing it from here 10 days. That is 7th to 17th. So you had thus. Then afterwards floor beam and shuttering 15 days. Here you can start in the middle of it because of a columns you already done it. So you can take it from here and go ahead for 15 days. 15 days means 12th to 15th, 27. So you had a slab. Reinforcement and conduit fixing for another 2 days. Okay. You had another 2 days. Then slab casting, another 2 days. Okay. Now again, I'm having a, I have to go further up. So if I keep on this, I cannot see it. So what I'll be doing it again, I'll be hiding these columns. Go there, hide. So it automatically get hide. Now again, the third month. That is the third month. I'm making it as a third month. Third month. Okay. Again, the same formula. 1. Next date will be 1 plus, it is like this, is equal to this plus 1. Enter it, it will show a second. Now you drag it up to another 30 days. So it will show up to 30th day. Okay. Here we will be deleting it out. So now what will be there? Then afterwards brickwork and lintel. What will happen? When you had a costed, after 21 days only, you can, after 14 days only, you'll be removing a beam bottom and everything. So there will be a clear cut 14 days gap. That is from 10 to 16, there won't be any activities. Okay. From 16, you'll be having 6 days. That is 22. So you had this. Because in this period, you can make an order for electrical wiring, plumbing, external drainages and everything. That also will be coming down. Then afterwards, you'll be chiseling in the brickwork for, sorry, this I have to take it out here. Then afterwards, I had a chiseling for a conduits and everything. That will take another 2 days. So another 2 days I taken it. So you had it. Then windows sill fixing. Without a window sill fixing, you cannot do a windows or something. So I taken as a 1 day. 1 day, you can, when the conceal has been going on, at the same time you can do it. So I taken 1 day here. So conduit sealing has been fixed. Then internal plastering, 6 days. Once it's still fixed, from the day 6 days you have to take it out. That means 24th to 30th. Okay. Okay. Now you had it. Now you are coming to fourth month. Merchant center, fourth month. Again, the same formula. 1 is equal to this plus 1. So it's get a enter. Then from here, you have to drag the column for another 30 days. So let us say 30 days. So here the cost things has been become small topper. So what I'll be doing it, I'll be increasing the column width. What I'll be doing the column width, see for example, the 10th month, it is here. I'll be taking it here. I'll say column width. So now 2.5 will not be helpful. I'll make it a 3, enter. So now what will happen? From there, I have to continue like this, whatever the days. Then I'll take one column width. I'll make it as a 3. So your column width everywhere has been increased. So now where we are. So again, I have to hide it here because I cannot see what the activities and everything. So I hide it up to this area. Okay. So it's gone hiding. Now waterproofing and bath. It is a 2 days. After the 2 days, plastering simultaneously because you finish first bathroom finish plastering, then you can do on. So let us take 2 days somewhere here. Okay. This is a 2 days. So this is a waterproofing. Then brick bed coba at a WC bath. Let us take another 2 days for this. So we had it here. Then internal plastering, 6 days. See what will be there internal the plastering fixing. Internal plastering we already done it. So I remove this column. I remove this, delete entire row. I delete it. Then four tile fixing. I taken a 4 days. See after the internal fixing, then you require a 1 day cleaning. Then afterward there is a 4 days. Okay, I take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I taken 4 days. So it is come down. Then bathroom tile fixing. That also I take another 4 days. I can start simultaneously with this 4 tiling work. So there also I taken a 4 days. Then external plastering 4 days. So once all my activities, tiling and everything finished, then only I'll be started external plastering. RNS क्या होता है? जो बाहर से जो भी when somebody splashing of the external plaster, it may hide a people. So external plastering, I'll take it as 4 days from here. Okay. Then doors and windows fixing 5 days. So simultaneously, as soon as the internal plastering painting has been completed, I can do simultaneously. So I'll tag the activities from here. So external plastic, internal painting 3 days हो गया. Then external plastic 4 days. Here 4 days. Then doors and fixing 5 days. When I do the internal fixing, what do you call internal painting, simultaneously I can take it out. So I take it from here 5 days. Okay. Internal plastering as column. Finish it up. Then once you add a doors and lock, you can put your internal fixing, CP fittings, and everything in a safe custody. For that, I need a 3 days. So I taken a 3 days. So they be done. Then after that, internal wiring, I have to do it. Okay. Internal wiring also simultaneously along with this, it can go. So I can go simultaneously 2 days. Then external drainage 5 days. External drainage, you can start as soon as your this 16 days gap is there, in the period you can do the external drainages. Okay. External See, external painting 5 days. I taken from here 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then external drainage. In this gap, I can do the external drainages because that time there is no activities. So here I taken that period. I do it in the external drainage. Then I need a 1 day cleaning afterwards. Okay. So I say 2 days. This is the methodology of working a bar chart. Like this, there is any more activities and everything. Now you want to know the column hidden and everything has to be visible. What you have to do it, go to the column scroll. From here, you just put it up and you say unhide. So it will be all the days and everything is being visible. Now you can see from the all the schedule has been totally completed. Now you know how to prepare a bar chart. Okay. Now let us come back again to see this program is only a tentative schedule. It may increase or decrease depend upon your material availability and manpower, etc. etc. This gives you a rough idea how to create a bar chart in Excel. Moreover, what are the dependent activities, what are the individual activities, what are simultaneous activities. So let me assume that you understand how to create a bar chart or a Gantt chart in a Excel sheet. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you like this presentation, kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can motivate and give some more good presentation. In case of any queries or a clarification, do not hesitate to call me. Okay. You can write to me civilconclave at the rate of gmail.com or my telegram group at the rate of